Welcome to today's video. We're talking about heart health and how to keep your arteries in top shape. Let's dive right in. First up, avocados. These fruits are loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats that reduce bad LDL cholesterol and raise good HDL cholesterol. They also pack potassium, crucial for controlling blood pressure. Add avocados to your toast, salads, or smoothies for a heart-healthy boost. Simple and delicious. Next, fatty fish like salmon, known for its rich, buttery flavor, mackerel, with its robust taste, and sardines, which are small but mighty, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These essential nutrients help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and prevent dangerous blood clots, promoting overall cardiovascular health. Aim to eat fatty fish at least twice a week, whether it's grilled salmon, delicious mackerel tacos, or sardines on whole-grain crackers for a quick, nutritious snack. Your heart will thank you for these tasty and health-boosting choices. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants called flavonoids. These compounds reduce inflammation and improve blood flow, lowering the risk of heart disease. Add berries to your oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies for a tasty, heart-healthy treat. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are high in nitrates, which convert to nitric oxide, a vasodilator. This helps relax and widen blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing heart strain. Use leafy greens in salads, smoothies, or sauté them for a nutritious side dish. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are not just tasty but also incredibly nutritious. These heart-healthy snacks are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and protein, making them a perfect choice for anyone looking to improve their diet. Walnuts, for instance, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health and reducing inflammation. On the other hand, almonds provide a good source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. Regular nut consumption has been linked to lower cholesterol levels and reduced inflammation, contributing to overall heart health. Keep a small container of mixed nuts handy for a quick and nutritious snack on the go. You can also sprinkle them on salads for an extra crunch and a boost of nutrients, making your meals both delicious and healthy. Olive oil, especially extra virgin, is a cornerstone of the heart-healthy Mediterranean diet. This golden elixir has been cherished for centuries, not just for its rich flavor, but for its numerous health benefits. It's full of monounsaturated fats that lower bad LDL cholesterol and raise good HDL cholesterol. These healthy fats are essential for maintaining a balanced diet and promoting cardiovascular health. Use olive oil in salad dressings, drizzle over roasted veggies, or for light sautéing. Its versatility in the kitchen makes it an easy addition to many dishes, enhancing both flavor and nutrition. Just avoid high heat to preserve its benefits. Cooking at medium or low temperatures ensures that the oil retains its nutritional properties, making your meals both delicious and healthy. Garlic contains allicin, which lowers blood pressure and cholesterol, reducing arterial stiffness. Add fresh garlic to savory dishes, salad dressings, or roast whole bulbs for a milder flavor. Simple ways to boost heart health. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, is a potent anti-inflammatory. It reduces plaque buildup and improves blood flow. Add turmeric to roasted veggies, soups, or try a turmeric latte. Pair with black pepper to enhance absorption. Green tea is rich in catechins, powerful antioxidants that improve cholesterol levels and blood vessel function. Regular consumption is linked to a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease. Enjoy a cup of green tea daily, or add matcha to smoothies. Simple and effective. Pomegranates are packed with antioxidants like punicalagins and ellagic acid. These reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, targeting plaque buildup in arteries. Drink pomegranate juice or add arils to salads, yogurt, or oatmeal. Delicious and heart-healthy. That's a wrap on artery health. Incorporate these foods into your diet for a healthier heart. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. Let's spread the word about the power of food as medicine.